In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make a purchase on a popular online platform, Temu. This process will include browsing for a product, applying a coupon code, and completing your purchase smoothly. So stick around to make your online shopping experience a breeze. Let's dive right in by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Temu website. Once you land on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a wide array of product categories to choose from. This is where the fun begins, as you get to explore the vast selection of items available. Take your time browsing through the different categories or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. Once you find a product that catches your eye, give it a click to open the detailed product page. Now that you're on the product page, you can get more information about the item, including user reviews, specifications, and pricing. It's always a good idea to read through the reviews to ensure the product meets your needs and expectations. Once you're satisfied, you can proceed to add the item to your shopping cart. Double-check your selected options such as size or color because you want to make sure everything is just right. With the item added to your cart, it's time to move on to the checkout process. Navigate to the checkout page where you'll see a summary of your order. This section provides an overview, including the total cost and any additional fees or taxes. At this point, you'll notice a field labeled Enter Coupon Code. If you have an Apple gift card or any other discount codes that you'd like to use, this is your chance to save some money. Simply type in your coupon code into the provided field and click Apply. You should see a corresponding deduction in the total amount of your purchase, making for a satisfying shopping experience. With the discount applied, it's time to finalize your purchase. Make sure all your details are correct, including shipping information and payment method. Take a moment to review everything, ensuring accuracy because you don't want any surprises later on. After double-checking your information, you can confidently proceed to confirm and complete your order. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the Temu website, browsed products, applied a coupon code, and completed your purchase. Congratulations on your savvy shopping skills. Keep a lookout for your confirmation email and tracking information so you can eagerly anticipate your item's arrival. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to efficiently shop on Temu. Happy shopping, and until next time, enjoy your newly purchased products.